And then the other piece is when we talk about these branching ones, this is a great scenario, and you really have to talk to an expert when you're doing this. Like, let's say you're designing a negotiating course. This is a great way to do this, right? Like, especially when you're having a first person conversation, which is what Branch Track is set up to do. Basically, you are talking to a person and you're having a conversation. So that's a great place to practice negotiation skills. What's also awesome with branching scenarios is that you can take certain paths and teach people how, even if they've gone down the wrong way, that they could potentially, if they go about it the right way, go back and fix and remedy some of those things. So this in itself is, remember, I don't know if I showed you guys, if you haven't seen this video, but a couple videos back, I showed you this framework, right? This is a single scenario conversation. So you've got the setup, the question, the options, and the consequences. In a branching scenario, what happens is you've kind of exploded it a little bit. And it's like this whole thing could end up being that one scenario. It's just got multiple levels. So one decision leads to another. It doesn't give you immediate consequences. In this kind of scenario, the consequence might not be evident to you until 3 or here. So the consequences are actually delayed a little bit because you're trying to figure things out and you're trying to see the long-term effect of things.